All right.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Ready. Holy shit!
How'd yours turn out? I can't see how mine turned out.
Mine's pretty good.
Yeah! Jim Barrett.
You did it, Mark.
Jim Barrett's next.
Mark, you did it. Good for you. It didn't hurt again.
Yeah, how do you feel?
I hit my butt again.
Yeah.
Not too bad though. How far out did I get? I didn't think that far out, I feel like.
I think you got far out.